Hi everyone, my name is Shi-Lin Chen, and today I'm going to introduce my final full stack project for E599. My topic is news browser, which means that user could simply browse the news on this website. And here's a quick view of my website. And the motivation of this topic is because we cannot go out due to COVID-19, and I would like to know what happened outside. So I decided to work on this topic. And there are some features in my project. The first one is good looking and clean interface for me. And the second one is that user could see different source of news both on search and headliner, which I will demo later. And the third one is that user could decide if they want to subscribe to receive daily news by email. And I will briefly introduce my front end and back end. I use Express to handle HTTP GET requests at different endpoints like register and news page. And I use News API to get news data. No mailer could send email, which you have already seen in Professor's lecture. So how do my front end and back end work? Take a register, for example, user will enter email address here in the text box, and they could select a category for their daily news. Then I use Express to handle this GET request to my backend. So once I get the email address and news data, I could send the email to the user's email address. And I'm sorry that I introduced really fast because I need some time to demo my project, and it's time to demo. So let's start it. Okay, so in the beginning, user will see this page asking them if they want to subscribe or not. And this page is using some bootstrap stuff, so it has a fancy animation like fading from the top, as you can see. And user could enter email address here and select a category for their daily news. You can see there are different categories here. Let's choose sports, for example, and type my email address and click yes. And you can see in my backend, I have already get the email address and the category, and it says ready to send email. So back to my website, you can see there are two buttons here. Let's start from the headliner. If user click headliner, it will display the top headline news below. Also, they could select what kinds of news they want to see, like technology or business. So let's take technology, for example, and click headliner. And you can see there are some news related to technology. And you can notice that the news article are all in an image, which has title, outline, and news source. And these images are clickable, which will redirect the user to the original website of the news. For example, yeah, you can see the original website of the news. The other button is search. User could enter keyword here to search related news. And there is also a search option for this button. You can see there are three different options for search, and let's choose popularity and let's search COVID-19 and click search. And you can see there are some news related to COVID-19 display below. And if you move your cursor to the image will be a little bit transparent. Okay, so this the demo of my website. So let's see if my email have been sent. Okay, you can see here, they say the message has been sent to this email address. So let's take a look. Yeah, you can see here's my email I just received, and just click it. You can see here's the category I just select for sports, and the headline news and the date. And here's title and outline and image. And to be noticed that the title and the image are also clickable, which will redirect the user to the original website of the news. And by the way, if you go to the bottom of this email, and you can see a link to our website, so you just click it and all websites. Okay, so this is pretty much the demo for my project, and thank you for watching.